2 and 2/10 times 5 and 5/10. 2 and 2/10 times 5 and 5/10. All right, now luckily when you multiply decimals you do not have to line them up, but they end up lining up anyway, so it's not a big deal. 5 times 2 is 10, carry my 1. 5 times 2 is 10, plus 1 is 11. Now, I'm going to have to put a placeholder in here because we're now starting in that second one. So 5 times 2 is 10, carry my 1. 5 times 2 is 10, plus 1 is 11. Now I add 0 plus 0 is 0. 1 plus 0 is 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. Bring down the 1. Now your decimal has to go 2 places because it's got to be 1 place, 2 places. That means there has to be 2 places behind the decimal. So your decimal will have to go over here because I've got 1, 2. Or there have to be 2 places behind the decimal. So 2 and 2/10 times 5 and 5/10 gives me 12 and 1/10. Or you can have a 0 there, either one. They are both correct.